What causes stress and how to manage it? Stress is something we all feel, and that's okay. It's happened when we worry too much or feel pressured. But the good news? Stress is not forever, and we can handle it. But why do we feel stress? Stress comes from different things. First, too much work or studies. Imagine having a pile of homework or tasks. If we try to do everything at once, it feels heavy. Second, big changes in life. Starting a new school, job, or moving to a new place can feel scary. It's like standing in front of a big door not knowing what's inside. Third, problems with people. A fight with a friend or family member can make us feel upset. Even small misunderstanding can feel big sometimes. Fourth, not enough rest. Have you ever tried to focus when you're super tired? It's hard, right? Our brain needs rest to handle things better. How can we manage stress? First, take small breaks. If you feel stuck, stop for a minute, take a deep breath, stretch, or drink water. It's like pressing the refresh button. Second, make a simple plan. If tasks feel too much, write them down, do one thing at a time, like eating a big burger, one bite at a time, make it easier. Third, talk to someone. Keeping stress inside make it grow. Even short talk with a friend, parent, or someone you can trust can help. Fourth, move your body. A 5-minute walk, stretching, or just shaking your arm can help. It's like telling your body, hey, we got this. Fifth, get enough sleep. A well-rested mind feels lighter. Imagine waking up fresh instead of tired. Everything feels easier. Stress is not our enemy. It's just a little alarm reminding us to take care of ourselves. So take a deep breath, do one thing at a time, and remind yourself you're stronger than stress.